Hi students, welcome to Strategic Management course. My name is Krisha Ongkowijoyo and I will be your lecturer for Strategic Management course. Along with me, I also have my partner, Mr. C.
Hi Gracia. And hi students. My name is Charlie Hongdianto, but you can call me Mr. C as what Miss Gracia just called me. We are the lecturer for Strategic Management and I believe that we are going to have a blast for this course. Do you agree, Miss Gracia?
Of course, Mr. C, 100%.
By the way, what is Strategic Management course, Miss Gracia?
So this course is about formulating, implementing, and evaluating business strategies based on strategic management concepts and theories. This course is most suitable for those of you who have established business projects or family business so that we can help you to understand how you can implement the learned strategic management concepts as well as to help you make a better decision as an entrepreneur.
So I see. It means this course is providing the students on how they are going to formulating, implementing, and also evaluating their business strategy, their own business project or family business. And this course is essential as a foundation to be an entrepreneur. Right, Miss?
Yes, of course. By the way, this course is a combination of theoretical knowledge as well as entrepreneurial practice. So I'm sure you guys will find this course practical.
Okay, Miss. So what is the learning outcome that students must have when they pass this course?
Okay, so for the learning outcome, we hope that students are able to create a strategic plan in the form of blueprint based on strategic management analysis through experiential-based learning that contains business practice analysis theory until business strategy evaluation.
So it means a blueprint is the outcome for this course. And of course, the blueprint is based on strategic management analysis that already consider many aspects in consideration. And in order to achieve that, we have 4 sub-learning outcomes for strategic management class. Number 1, students are able to analyze their business practice. And number 2, students are able to revise business value proposition based on inputs and strategic management theories.
The third sub-learning outcome, students are able to design a strategic plan based on values of the generated solutions. And the fourth or last sub-learning outcome, students are able to update the strategic plan for their business project based on understanding of the strategic execution and evaluation theories. By the way, Mr. C, we also have class rules. Number 1, maximum lateness is 15 minutes. And second, maximum absence is 25% of the total class meetings. And number 3, having textbook, it's optional, but it's better for you guys to have textbook.
Then, no late submission. Dress neatly and politely, always check Moodle, and no tolerance for plagiarisms. No tolerance at all for plagiarisms.
Next, I'll explain about our roadmap for the Strategic Management course. As you can see from the roadmap, we will have several assignments and activities for this course. For SAA 1.1, there is business practice analysis in groups for 15%. For SAA 1.2, it's business pitching and reflection, also done in groups, for 10%. For SAA 2.1, customer input, value proposition design, and problem identification presentation, also done in group for 10%. SAA 2.2, misconception presentation, also done in groups for 15%.
For SAA 3.1 is a guest lecture and strategy execution assignment, individual for 5%. SAA 3.2 is individual participation for 10%. For the mid-task is a paper take-home about customer survey result. And for the final task is updated strategic plan in the form of blueprint is also take-home.
A lot of activities, but I believe in you guys that you guys can do this class and finish it really well.
And of course, we will provide detail about each assignment with the rubric as well, so you'll get a crystal clear information for each activity.
This semester, we will still do campus activities online, so we will still use Zoom as well as Moodle for all class activities as well as lecture and submission assignments online.
I think that's it for the introduction. I hope you already get a brief information about strategic management class. I'm Mr. C.
I'm Croatia. Welcome to Strategic Management class.